Good day, it's Gerard Dreyer from Africa Outdoors. Today we are talking about Timo fishing rods and reels. Me personally, I will always take it. It's cheap, it's reliable. For these two rods, and like both came with rod and a reel, it cost me under 500 rand. Where are you going to buy a 500 rand fishing rod? I will show you a 500 rand fishing rod. What it cost me. The first one is this one. It's a 2.7 meters long. It's a extended one. So you don't need to worry about losing parts. Come with a reel. It's a heavy medium. And to be honest, with this one, I will go for any fish, even sea, ocean fish. And if you think I'm lying, let me show you the bend on it. And yeah, don't ask me to pronounce the name. I am going to lie to you. And the rod is a 5:1 gear ratio. And yeah, I cannot complain about it. I must still take it out for my first fishing expedition with it. But at this stage, and what I see and saw on my research, you cannot complain about this one. My second one, it comes like this. It's a 3.6 meter. So Shuai. If you think can pronounce it, please leave it in a comment. Comes with eye holder protection. To release it is very simple. Okay, remember what I said? The swivels I put in, then you just release your eye. Here you can see it, totally extended. You give me 1 second, I take you a little bit back. Here you can see it. And to be honest, this one I tasted, this 3.6 meter one. And like I said, I cannot complain about it. It works, and let me say so, I threw my bait and stuff very far, farther than my normal ones. Here's my bass fishing rod. This one is 500 rand. Came out of a rod and a reel. It's a Okuma fishing reel with the rod. And like I said, this one I tasted, it took a few fishes down, out. And yeah, I enjoyed this one. One of my oldest ones and similar size to this one's. This old one. I have this one good, say 30 years. And I can promise you, this one can tell you stories. I will be in big trouble. Really big trouble. But yeah, it works. So, to keep my story short and sweet as short, go out. Go and look for fishing spots. Go fish, people. The world is big, not your room or TV size. You can go out and see the world and enjoy it. Now I'm going to put a challenge down. If I reach 800 views, I will build a bow, 1,000 with 200 subscribers, I will bow a recurve bow. But till then, please like and subscribe if you want to see more of my contents. Enjoy the rest of your day.